G'day, my name is Ian Castle, your Aussie vocal coach, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to sing intervals. This is lesson 4 of my Learn How to Sing series for beginners. If you are new to this channel, I will add a link to the series playlist up here somewhere. And consider subscribing for more lessons and vocal workouts. The vocal exercises we have worked on in the course so far have been more like steps. The notes have been next to each other, which makes it easier to find and improve your pitch. While most phrases in a song will include this step-like direction in melody, you will also need to learn how to sing intervals, which are more like leaps in between the notes. Here's an example of the difference between a series of stepping notes and an interval leap. Steps, and now the leap. Intervals require the ability to target pitch. It is a form of vocal agility, as your vocal cords need to be flexible to achieve this. I'm going to take you through an exercise that will help you target intervals. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 5, 3, 1, 5, 1. Now that might sound a bit complicated, but let's break it down. By assigning a number to each note or pitch, it's giving you something to target. We start with the 5-note scale you are already familiar with to set the target notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The next part of the exercise requires you to leap over the 2nd and 4th notes, targeting the 1st, 3rd and 5th notes. You are singing small intervals. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. Now the final part of the exercise requires you to leap from the 1st note to the 5th note and back to the 1st note, a larger interval to target. 1, 5, 1. Let's start the exercise together, then I will play it 3 more times for you to practice with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 5, 3, 1, 5, 1. Okay, I'll play it 3 more times. It's your turn. Okay, 2 more times. One more time. How did you go? Did you find that easy or a bit of a challenge? Let me know in the comments below. Now let's recap on what you have learned in the course so far. You've found your vocal tone, learned how to sing on pitch, applied rhythm to sing a phrase, and have now started to sing larger intervals. In lesson 5, we will start to have some fun discovering your vocal range. Now I hope you are enjoying your singing journey, and I'll be back very soon. Bye for now.